Are you looking for to create Viki account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create Viki account. First thing first, move into any of the web browser. And in the address bar, search for Viki account sign up. Now you need to head over to the very first site. You need to wait for a while for it to load. Now simply click on Enter Information Manually. Once you're in this official page, click on Sign Up instead of Sign In. In order for you to sign up for the account, first of all select the country. Choose your specific country code of the number. Once you have selected, now enter your specific number. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. You will receive one verification code on your number. Copy that code and paste it in the section that you are asked to. Once again, tap on Continue. After that, your Viki account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.